Welcome to my new tutorial on how to install Canon imageCLASS MF753CDW printer on a computer. To install this printer on a computer, you will require its driver. I will show you which driver you will require. Please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After that, you just need to double click on the driver file. Click on yes if it is asking for permission. It will unzip the files, driver files, into a folder. It is unzipping the driver file into this folder. So please wait for that. Choose the preferred language here and then click on next. Click on yes. Now choose the connection type. Which connection type do you prefer to connect this printer to your computer? USB connection or network connection? I will go with the USB one and click on next. It is copying the driver and then install the drivers. So please wait for that. Now it is asking to connect the printer's USB cable to the computer. So I suggest you to connect the cable to the computer and make sure the printer is turned on. After that, this screen will detect your printer connection and go to the next screen automatically. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like my efforts in this video, if you find this video useful, please do like, share and subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye bye.